Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael, and I'm going to be creating a mobile app today. What we're going to be doing today is to create a landing page for our mobile app. Then there will be a button that will lead our users to the next page of the app. We could also add music and a little bit of thing later on. But right now, let us just focus on creating a landing page and putting a button that will take our user to the next page. Let's get started. So if you want to get started, you visit appinventor.mit.edu. Let me say that again. You are going to visit appinventor.mit.edu. You will log in with your Gmail credentials. Then once you get there, click on start a new project. So this is the new project. So I'm going to name this landing page. Landing page. That is what I'm going to name it. So if I click OK, I'm going to have a blank screen where nothing is there. So there we are. So we are here, and this is what we are going to see when we click on new project. Now I want to put a background here. I want to add a background. So if you look at this place, this is my screen, and these are the properties of my screen. So what I'm going to do here is to scroll down, right, and look for a background, look for how to add a background image. So if I come here this way, I'm going to see just this way, I'm going to see background image. So I'm going to click on background image, upload, and click choose file to upload. So what I just downloaded this morning, I'm going to add let me see, okay, AI viewer. So I'm going to click this and add it to it. So I've added my background. So this is my background. So I want to create a button that will take the user to the next page. Now I have just one screen. I can decide to add another screen by clicking on add screen. So if I click on add screen, it's going to pop up another screen called screen 2. So that will take us to screen 2. So I have two screens here. I have screen 1 and I have screen 2. So here, okay, to show up later. So here now, I need to put a button here. This is my screen 2. Let me go back to screen 1. You can see my screen 1, and this is my screen 2. There's nothing in screen 2. So let's go back to screen 1 where I've added my background image. So I need to put a button here, the button that will lead the user to the next page or to the next screen. So I'll click on button and drag it here. Okay, now if I click on the button, I'm going to drag the button here. Then I'll come to the properties. If I click on the button, I'll come to the properties of the button. Then I will say click for next page. I'm going to type next page. So if I type next page here, right, then you will see that the text on it has changed to next page. So when the text changes to next, you see that this button will come here, and I'll also go to vertical alignment. That is align vertical. I'm going to choose center. Here you will see that this button is here already. Now what we're going to do next is to go to the blog, is to quickly go to the blog. So what I'm going to do is to click on blog, right? Then after I click on blog, I'm going to click on this button 1. I'll click on this button 1. So I'm going to select this block here when button 1 is clicked. When button 1 is clicked. So I'll click on control here and look for a particular block that says open another screen. So I'm going to drag it and put it here. So when button 1 is clicked, open another screen. Screen name. This is not screen 1 that I'm going to choose. I'm going to choose screen 2 because we're actually going to screen 2. So I'm going to select screen 2. So when that is done, now we'll go back to our designer. So we have our background image, we have the button that will take the user to the next page, and we also have the block that will make the the program work actually. So when button 1 is clicked, we open another screen name called screen 2. Where did I get this one from? When button 1 is clicked, I got it from button 1 here. Where did I get this open another screen? I got it from control. If I click control, you're going to see that over there. So let's go back to our designer. So next we are going to be working on how to add music and how to add stop and pause button to the app. Now making the app play music as soon as it opens. Thank you very much.